Bagamat inulan at binaha ang Kabisayaan at ang Bicolandia nitong mga nakaraang araw, tuloy-tuloy po ang init sa ating Championship Series para sa Philippine Cup na kinatatampukan ng Pure Foods TJ Giants at ang Santa Lucia Realtors. At matapos pong lumawang ang Santa Lucia sa Game 1 and Game 2 para makakuha ng 2-0 lead sa kanilang seryeng Best of 7, sumagot ang Pure Foods, "We will giant you." Sabi nila, maghihiganti raw po sila. Kaya yan po ang ating game story. Mission Di Imposible. Yan po ang malahiganting pagbabalik ng Pure Foods. 2-1 na po ngayon. Maganda ito, kinito lalong uminit ito.
Game 4 ng ating serye. Kasamang Ed, ito na ang turning point ng ating PBA Finals. Mga kaibigan, after this game, it's either going to be 2-2. In other words, the series will go down to a best of 3 or it'll be 3-1 para sa Santa Lucia.
Okay, ituloy na natin doon sa mga pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Kilito, ano nga ang sinasabi mong dapat gawin ng Santa Lucia?
Well, unang-una sa Santa Lucia, sa tingin ko, test of character ito. Because galing sila sa talo and it was a very painful loss. Unang-una, Kelly Williams must be back in form. Nakita natin sa Game 1, 24 points para sa kanya. Game 2, 23 points. Ano pa nangyari sa Game 3 kung saan nanalo Pure Foods? He was limited to only 10 points. Dapat si Kelly Williams must be back in form for Santa Lucia. Pangalawa, challenge the interior defense. Undersized sa mga frontliners at ang interior defense ng Pure Foods. And that gives an opportunity for Dennis Espino, Marlo Aquino, Joseph Yo, sina Bitoyo Molon to pound it inside. No? Either you slash or you play the post. Pangatlo, more assists and turnovers. Manapansin natin, no? In the 2 games that Santa Lucia won sa seryeng ito, mas marami ang kanilang assists sa turnovers. But ang nangyari sa game number 3, nagkabaliktad because they only had 8 assists pero 11 ang turnover nila. Assist to turnover ratio, yan po, papantayin natin on the part of Santa Lucia.
Samantala, ang Pure Foods, mga kaibigan, papasok dito sa seryeng ito ay ang mga Llamado sapagkat veterano na itong kopolang ito at sila ang namayani sa ating classification phase. Pero ngayon, sila po naghahabol, they need this win para makatabla.
Tama yun, no? And it takes only 1 win to tie. And yan po ang tema ng Pure Foods sa gabing ito, no? A win to tie. Una-una, dapat perimeter scoring nila. Artillery must be in sync, must be on target. Kasi napansin natin sa games 1 and 2, mas marami yung 3-point conversion sa Santa Lucia against Pure Foods. But, nagkabaliktad sa game number 3, 8 3-point conversions ng Pure Foods at dadalawa lamang ang Santa Lucia. Number 2, make Denok Miranda sweat. Alam natin, si Kelly Williams, sina Dennis Espino, yan po mga leader ng Santa Lucia. But ang heart and soul nila, no? The man who starts their defense, the man who orchestrates their offense, the man who sets the table is Denok Miranda. At ang nangyari sa game number 3, Pure Foods really limited him. Nagkaroon siya ng 6 assists sa game number 2 at 4 assists si Denok sa game number 1. But sa game number 3, kung saan nanalo ang Pure Foods, only 1 assist, 1 rebound for Denok Miranda. Nag-foul out pa. And I think Denok Miranda must be in his top form for Santa Lucia to win. Ang gagawin ng Pure Foods, take him out of the game. At number 3, hindi lang po si James Yap at si Kirby Raimundo dapat mag-score. Sa game number 3, nakita natin si Simon at saka si Roger Yap combining for 40 points. Malaking tulong yung supporting cast ni Kirby at ni James. And that is what is important for Pure Foods. Dapat total team effort. Hindi lang po yung dalawa ang kanilang will lean on.
Was in 4th place at pang-5 naman si Asi Taulaba. Back-to-back ito ni Kelly Williams, ganito. Last year siya yung Rookie of the Year. Ngayon naman, best player of the conference.
Well-deserved for Kelly Williams.
Yeah.
Nakita naman natin kung anong ginawa niya rito. Brought Santa Lucia to the finals and he continues to play superb basketball. Okay, nakita natin yung starting lineup ng Santa Lucia has been announced. May isang pagbabago kasama Ed. Si Ryan Reyes po, hindi mag-start sa 2-guard position. Si Joseph Joe is going to be starting for the first time sa ating finals.
James Yap, mag-start yan, ha?
That's a major change, yes, because si James Yap po, mag-i-start naman for Pure Foods. Abay, makikita natin dito, kaagad, yung sagupaan, Yap versus Joe.
Yeah. At, kumaway si Joseph Yo kay James Yap, kaya lang hindi nakatingin si James, kaya hindi nakaka...
palagay ko, kanya kumaway kasi alam niya hindi siya makikita. So that's going to be a crucial matchup. Alam po natin, nung game number 3, si Joseph Yo,
Teka muna. Ang tutulong po kay Commissioner Baez for the ceremonial toss, walang iba, kundi si Bernabe Concepcion, junior featherweight champion ng WBA, WBC World Youth Super Bantamweight, and NABF Super Bantamweight, the Iron Man. Ayan po, si Abe Concepcion, magaling po yung manuntok. Ha? Ilang beses na natin na-cover yan, Kirito.
oo. Tsaka galing ng Mexico, where he just won a fight at kaagad, meron din siyang laban sa Mexico muli, no? So April 26. At palita natin, top-ranked promoter himself, si Bob Arum, has high hopes that si Bernabe Concepcion might be able to fight for a world championship before the year ends.
Batang Bicol ito, Birac Catanduanes, ano ha? At binabati natin yung mga kababayan natin dyan. Alam natin na medyo inabot na naman sila ng hindi maganda. Binabaha po dun sa Bicol, dun din sa amin, sa Leyte at sa Samar. Sana po, humupa na yung baha na yan at babahain namin kayo sa aksyon. Game 4. Naglabanan ng Santa Lucia via at Purefoods DJ Giants for the Philippine Cup. With a possession napunta sa Santa Lucia. Ulitin natin ang mga lineup. Joseph Yo, Dennis Miranda, Kelly Williams, Dennis Espino, and Pitoy Omolon stepping on the baseline. Called on Santa Lucia para naman sa Purefoods. Nag-umpisa po si Ardy Larong, si Chico Lanete, James Yap, Pedro Raimundo, and Jordan Salvador.
Okay, meron din pagbabago ang Purefoods sa kanilang starting lineup. Si Andy Larong, who's more known for his defense and his offense, is starting here for Purefoods. And it looks like si Coach Ryan Gregorio has designated him to play one-on-one defense against Kelly Williams.
Kamadana, Pedro Raimundo against Kelly Williams here. There's a nice spin by Kelly. The follow-up by Jordan Salvador.
Alam mo, partner, yun ang sinasabi ng marami, no? Purefoods playing with a lot of heart. They are undersized when it comes to the front line, and that's why they have to gang rebound. Kung wala si Kirby Raimundo sa eksena sa rebounding, dapat may kasunod, may kasama siya tutulong.
Pero sneaky pass by Dennis Miranda, pero nahuli yan ng Purefoods. Narito ngayon si Jordan Salvador, muscling his way in stride. Short jumping shoulder, Kelly Williams para sa rebound.
That was a good look, an open shot for Jordan.
Joseph Yo. Against Chico Lanete. Oops. Jordan Salvador and Dennis Espino nagbabalse. Jordan Salvador will be called for the foul as he got entangled with Dennis Espino.
And so many people have been describing this series as physical.
Hey.
Not only physical, but emotional.
Ngayon, lalo na ngayon.
Grabe, ang tension dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Joseph Yo, nakasigad.
Chip-chop.
Lusot na sana yun. Chico Lanete, binigay kay Andy Larong. Larong lumabas. At the corner, hindi makasira. Nalabas kay Kirby Raimundo. Raimundo, sinasunod ni Dennis Espino. Andy Larong is open at the corner. Yes! I-impress yan. At it's in ni Andy Larong.
Ayun, David ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, kasasabi ko lang that he's more known for his defense than offense.
Natira sa labas.
Kung kaya natin narinig tayo. Yes, sumira ka agad ng outside shot na pumasok.
Alala natin, Mercedes, pinasok din niya ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. He did well as Kelly Williams is hammered inside. Si Ardy Larong, ang tatawagan siya nga po ang inasign ni Coach Ryan Gregorio para bantayan ito si Kelly Williams.
Well, dyan ang first line of defense ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Alam mo, because of Larong's limited average playing time, uubusin niya kada 6 fouls for Kelly Williams.
Okay lang sa kanya, pero lalong-lalo na nakati-3 na siya. Nakatira na po yan si Ardy Larong ng 3. You know he can also score as Kelly Williams makes the first point. Pauna-unahan po para his steal, and it's taken back by Kirby Raimundo. Raimundo brings it up to Jordan Salvador. Back to Kirby.